So I have a haul from Born Pretty. I bought a few things just before Christmas, and they finally came in. So let's get started. Oh, I need my glasses. So this one is Born Pretty. Oh, the cat eye magnet gel. Oh, it's sealed. Okay, there we go. It says, I cannot read that. Only the gel. No? Yeah, magnetic gel. Ooh. And that is thick. That is real thick. Real thick. See how thick that is? Real thick. So, that's it right there. I'm not testing them out right now. I'm just showing them. I will test them out in a day or so. So here's another one. Another thing I ordered. This one is the metallic watercolor ink. And I wanted to try this. Okay, so it has a little ball bearing in there to, wow, that looks amazing. Oh, very, very liquidy. I would give that a little bit more shaking. Ring. I don't know if that's supposed to stay on your thing or come off. I think it's supposed to stay on there. And it didn't. Oh well. Yeah, because it stayed on the other one, but I didn't stay on that. I'm going to go with that. Can't wait to try that. Just getting over COVID. We had COVID over Christmas. Lovely. So this one is Born Pretty Reflective Glitter Extension Nails. BP RGE01 Bright Night. Quick building. And I wanted to try theirs because I haven't tried any of the, I don't think I have any of the Born Pretty gels. So I wanted to try it. Don't mind my nails. They're a little bit beat up. Oh, wow. That is thick. I'm pushing on that thing and it's not even coming up. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that's thick. Oh, alrighty. This one is Born Pretty 8-in-1 nail glue. I wanted to try this. They said that you could use this for everything. Like, nail art. What else did it say? I can't remember exactly what it all said, but you know, putting on your rhinestones, putting on other things, and doesn't say on the back of it, but on their advertisement, it's 8-in-1. It says it can do 8 things, and I think one of them was foil transfers and all that kind of stuff. So we'll see. Oh, ooh, she thick. Yeah, see that? She's a good consistency. I'd say she's a medium thickness. Oh, pretty. What one's this? Amount of meteor. Well, let's dig it in. This one is Fancy Holographic Series. Oh, this is the holographic glitter. Ooh. Huh. A lot thinner than I thought it was going to be. Okay. But I can see in it that it has a rainbow, so it is very holographic. If you can see right here where the sun's shining on it and stuff, I can see the blue, the green, the yellow, the pink, and a purple. Oh, sorry. Can you see the hue right there? Going up. Can't wait to try this. Yeah, so very somewhat runny. However, very holographic, even in the bottle. All right. And here we have, oh, the metallic watercolor ink. I got a purple one. And there's everything you need to know. Definitely would want to shake these up for sure, especially if you hear ball in it. So this is going to be very runny because it's watercolor. Oh my. Oh yeah. Okay. It's going to be interesting to try. Nice. Interesting. We have two more things here. And I have another little haul to show you next time. It's just a small one from Aliexpress. I only got a couple of things. I've been trying to look for a black nail polish, a gel one, and just a regular nail lacquer to have, because I love black, and black is my favorite color, even though it's not a color. Okay, give this a shake. Not exactly shake. What is this one? This one is, oh, the nail foil transfer adhesive glue. Okay, so I have not tried their foil glue. Huh, it's white. Okay. It's very light. I don't know. I don't smell. Oh, it has a slight smell. It's a little thinner than natural glue when you look at it. Here you go. So, can't wait to try that as well. And then I have some, this is spider gel, gold. I had a gold one, but it kind of got tipped over, not by bornpretty, but it was by somebody else, and it got tipped over, and it all leaked, and I had to get a new one. So here we are. Okay, so you know it's spider gel. Do you want me to poke a hole in it? I'll try here. Oh yeah, there you go. Oh, look at that. That is very gold. It's a little cold up here in my room right now, so I wouldn't say that's, yeah, it's pretty thick, but not too thick. A little warming up and it would probably be just right. See that? All right, well, That's our haul.